In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product database in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable catalog you can update in seconds and share with your team. Start by opening Airtable and signing in. On your home screen, click Add a base and choose Start from scratch. Give your base a clear name like Product Catalog so it's easy to find later. Pick an icon and color to make it stand out on your dashboard. This is especially helpful if you manage multiple bases. Inside the new base, you'll see a default table called Table 1. Rename it to Product so it reflects what you're storing. Now let's configure the key fields. Keep the first column as product name and set it to single line text. This is your main identifier and should be readable at a glance. Add a field called SKU or ID as single line text for a unique identifier. This helps avoid duplicates and makes searching precise. Create a category field as single select and add choices like electronics, apparel, and accessories. You can always add more later. Add a price field and set the type to currency. Choose your currency symbol and decimal places to match your needs. Add stock quantity as a number. Set it to an integer so counts stay clean. Add description as long text for more detailed notes. Create product image as an attachment field so you can upload one or more photos. Finally, add status as single select with options like active, out of stock, and discontinued to track availability at a glance. If you need more detail, consider optional fields like color, size, supplier, or tags later on. At the top of the table, rename Grid View to all products. This becomes your master list. You can sort by price or stock and filter by status when needed, keeping this view tidy and focused. Quick pause. I've placed the Airtable link at the very top of the description so you can open it in your browser, and you'll also find the download link for the mobile and desktop apps there if you prefer working on the go. Now let's add data. Click plus add record for your first product. Enter the product name, paste in the SKU, choose the category, set the price and stock, and write a concise description. Drag in a product photo or click to upload. Set the status so it's clear whether the item is ready to sell. When you're ready to collaborate, click share in the top right. Invite teammates by email with the right permissions or generate a view-only link if you just want others to see your catalog without editing. And that's it. You've built a flexible, professional product database in Airtable. Thanks for watching.